In this thought-provoking video, we explore the concept of vicissitude and its profound impact on our lives. The term vicissitude refers to the unpredictable changes and fluctuations that occur throughout our life's journey, encompassing both ups and downs, successes and failures, joys and sorrows. Imagine sailing on the vast ocean of existence, encountering the ever-changing currents of life's vicissitudes. One moment, you may experience the thrill of triumph, and the next, the weight of adversity may weigh upon your shoulders. Just as the seasons shift, so do the circumstances in our lives. Rather than fearing these vicissitudes, we encourage you to embrace them as an integral part of the human experience. Every twist and turn presents opportunities for growth, resilience, and self-discovery. Through inspiring stories of individuals who have navigated life's vicissitudes with grace, we'll learn valuable lessons on adapting, evolving, and finding strength amidst uncertainty. Remember, it is in the face of change that we unveil our true potential. Join us on this enlightening journey as we delve into the essence of vicissitude, seeking to empower ourselves and others to navigate life's fluctuations with courage and wisdom. Embrace the ever-changing tide, and let it propel you towards a deeper understanding of life's beauty and complexity.